Hey everyone, it's Jared with Petumio. In this video, we're going to discuss user permissions. This is a big update that gives you a lot of control over who can see and access what features of the platform through managing the permissions of each role that you assign to a user when you invite them. So here I'm in the platform. I'm going to go under Organization Settings and Users. When I click into users, I am signed in as an admin user, and therefore I will see this manage permissions button. If you are not an admin, you will not see this. We do not want other individuals elevating their own permissions because they're a salesperson or a foreman or something like that. So admins assign user permissions and all other roles inherit those permissions. Restrict or grant access based on the roles that you can assign to individuals when you invite them. Or you can update their role to elevate their permissions based on your settings within this screen. A couple quick call outs. As an admin, I'm going to have all access to everything, and you cannot change these. We don't want to be restricting admins so that they can't come in and edit or access various features. So admins get access to everything by default, and that is locked. On the other side, we have employees and subcontractors. Now these individuals or these roles only have access to the mobile application. They do not have access to this platform that they're looking for. So anything with regards to creating proposals or opportunities or aspects within the web platform, those are grayed out and they cannot be granted access for those. If you want to grant an individual access to the web platform, you will need to change their role from an employee or subcontractor to a foreman or one of these other 4 roles that will have access to the web platform. So now we have these other 3 roles, and within here, my office manager for the time being has access to everything except for product settings. They cannot make edits to the product settings, the templates, the trucking, crew costs, additional costs, things like that. And then they also cannot edit the email settings and see employee rates for job costing. But they can do everything else. My sales people, they can access everything except for these settings down within our organization settings. I'm going to turn on the knowledge base, but they cannot access, they don't want to change our organization info. They cannot manage our subscription, see employee rates, generate reports, see our QuickBooks linkage, anything like that, manage API keys. They only have access to these 3 options: imports, notification triggers, and proposal settings. One other call out here that's been highly requested is for my salesperson. They can either view all proposals or they can see only assigned proposals now. So if I'm the salesperson that created the proposal or gets assigned to a proposal, then I will only see those proposals for which I'm assigned to them. I won't see any other salespersons or any other proposals that have been created or assigned to other individuals. So I'm going to keep that. I'll go ahead and save this. Okay, now that those are saved, I'm going to just jump over to this other screen here and refresh this to pull in the updated permissions that I just added. So now I'm signed in as a salesperson. This is just in a different browser. This is in Firefox. I'm logged in as a salesperson. So here I've got all of these different settings that I have access to, but if I expand this organization settings, notice that I only have access to these 4 items as outlined within these options here. And I just enabled the knowledge base, so I do have access to the knowledge base as well. If I jump into proposals, I will only see the proposals to which I am the assigned salesperson. I am the assigned estimator, or the proposals that I created. You can see that by clicking into the proposal info and see that this salesperson is, in this case, me, Petumio salesperson here. So I'm not going to see proposals assigned to or created by anybody else, unless they get reassigned to me as the Bitumio salesperson. So you have a lot of control over what you can grant access to certain individuals or remove access from those individuals through this manage permission setting. So go ahead, play with this. Hopefully this helps really dial in who can do what within your organization. And as always, thanks for being a part of Bitumio.